নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড নাম্বার 82-তে আপনাদের সবাইকে ওয়েলকাম। অনেক দিন পর আজকের এপিসোডটা হবে কানির ওপর। কানির ভ্যারাইটি অফ কানি সিল্কস আমি দেখাবো আজকে, সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন। আমি যেটা আজকে পরে আছি এটা কিন্তু চান্দেরির ওপর কানি, 7990 রুপিস। লেমন কালারের ওপর অল ওভার উইভিং করা হয়েছে in shade of deep turquoise, burgundy and rani color. 3 কালার আরো ভ্যারাইটি নানা রকমের শেডস দিয়ে এই উইভিংটা করা হয়েছে। এটা হচ্ছে ব্যাক সাইড, 7990 rupees in Chanderi Kani. This is the sari. It's in lemon color with a lovely weave. This is the minimum range in Kani weave. This is the blouse piece which comes along with this sari. It has all over buta, small buta in turquoise blue, and like I said, the price is 7990 rupees. Similarly, I'll show you more colors in Kani. So this is without a number, lemon color. You can just take the screenshot of the product and message me in the numbers provided. So now comes product number 1. This is in off-white color. Same fabric as the one I am wearing. Jal woven. Absolutely lovely jal weave. And the border is similar to what we see in the shawls. Very sleek and at the same time a lovely woven border. This is the pallu part. Here is the whole sari will be similar weave. So here is the all over weave and this is the blouse piece. So here is the sari concept. A very sober looking light color, ideal for any age. This is a lovely shade of off-white color with multicolor Kani weave. 7990 rupees. This is a similar one since we have very limited stock in Kani. This is number 1, the other color B. Number 1 that was A, this is B. Only the weave is different, rest the color is same. It's also in off-white. The weave is different than the product A. This is product number 1B. Just take the screenshot of the product. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. This is the back side. Now let me tell you, this is not hand woven. 7990 range is not hand woven, but those who want economical range Kani, this is a very good option. Whatever the fabric is, whatever the exact weave is, you will get the honest answer. This is the blouse piece, it's all over woven, and this is the lovely sari. So product number 1B. Product number 2. This is also 2A. Since these are all single pieces, so I'll be showing you a few 1A and B. Like this is 2A. This is in black all over rose weave, in gold and resham all over weave. Just see the sleek border. It's a lovely woven border. This is the pallu. Rich weave. Since the weave is so much, it will be slightly heavy compared to the other one. Here is the sari, but absolutely rich weave, very gorgeous look. And here comes the blouse piece. The blouse piece is equally beautiful. The all over there will be jal weave and the blouse piece will have this buta weave. This is the buta weave in the blouse. Jet black. Product number 2B, navy. That was black, and here comes navy. Lovely shade of dark navy blue with all over multicolor weave again. This is the whole sari will have the same weave. See, and here is the blouse piece. It's in navy. Product number 3 now comes in pashmina. Pashminas are hand woven. 9,500. We have fixed our rates. The 7990 are in Chanderi. The pashminas are 9,500, 9500 all over woven. This is the border. This is the pallu. Episode 82, product 3A in yellow color, mustard yellow. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is, see, this is the back side. This is the front side. This is also woven. This, I had shown you before this color weave before, but this is a new weave. This design is new. 9,500, product number 3A, and product number 3B, a similar one in Ganga Jal color. It's not exactly off-white, not exactly ash color. It's an in-between color. It's a pale off-white color. 9,500. All over weave. 3B pallu. One side broad woven border. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari. 9,500 rupees. Now coming to pure modal silk hand wovens. Art of Kashmir woven in modal silk. It's a very, very traditional craftsmanship from Kashmir. See, this is the beautiful solid color, no buta. This is in border pallu concept without any buta. This is the lovely Kani weave in the border. Just see the multicolor, the heritage shawls that we used to see. It's that concept. This is the pallu, 15,900 rupees. Product number 4, 15,900 in dark peacock blue. It's a beautiful shade of peacock blue, and the best part of these saris are the blouse piece. We have ample of fabric for you to make a full sleeve blouse with this. This is the lovely weave in the blouse, all over Jal Kani weave. You can make 3/4, you can make a jacket blouse with this. It will look very, very pretty. This is the sari. Turquoise blue, product number 4. Now product number 5 in magenta. This color is also very pretty. It's a lovely shade of magenta and mustard combination. See, one side will have the broad border. Just see the weave. This is the back side. Border pallu concept in silk Kani, 15,900, no buta, 15,900. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and message it to 7603042696 or the other number that is going, any one of the number please use for a single product. Mention your name and the description should be visible when you do the messaging, and the place where it has to be shipped. First come first serve basis. This is the blouse piece for this. First come first serve basis. Once we confirm you the availability of the product, we'll give you the bank details, and once we receive the transfer, it will be shipped within 2 to 3 working days. Cash on delivery only possible in Kolkata with an extra charge. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. One is in 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. The other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed. The rest of the days we are open. Red and mustard. No buta. Product number 6. 15,900, product number 6. This too has a lovely woven mustard blouse piece. You can make a high neck with this also. See the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. All the sarees I am showing you very closely. The weave is very prominently visible, so we can just check out the product, take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. Just check out the Konya buta here. It's in bottle green. The first time this color has come. Single piece with buta and Konya buta. Lovely combination. Dark bottle green, and just see the lovely weave in the border. So many colors in this intricate fine weave. All over Meena buta. Very traditional designs I have chosen for these weaves, so that we have that heritage look in the product. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and here is the sari. I wish I had a few more of this color combination. It's really pretty. So since I don't have, I'll show you more colors in this. This is product number 7, and 15,900. I'll show you a lovely black in this. Black with buta. Each color and the weave, the combinations is all very unique. With buta, Konya buta also. All over buta with Konya buta. And the scalloping weave is also very interesting. And all the blouses, you know, the blouses are real. You can make real lovely blouse piece with blouses with closed neck, high neck, full sleeve, jacket style, or you can wear it with top. As a top, if you make a jacket blouse, you can wear it with your skirts or jeans also. This is the blouse piece. Black and red combination. Product number 8, 15,900 rupees in jet black. Product number 9 now comes again pure modal silk, all over jal weave. Extremely soft and lightweight. See, this is all over jal, along with this is also a lovely new weave. It's in turquoise, deep midnight blue, you can say, with multicolor weaves. Since the body is all over weave, the blouse is absolutely contrast. Here is the blouse piece. This is 16,900 rupees. The jal weaves are 16,900. Now comes product number 10. Similar one in jet black. See, new border, rose floral woven border. Pallu. This is the only 4 rates that I keep. 7,990 in Chanderi Kani, 9,500 in Kani Pashmina, 15,900 with small buta and or if you are taking only border pallu, and 16,900 for these jal weaves. This is the blouse piece. For the past 3 to 4 years, this is the fixed rate for Kanis. Now product number 11, rich maroon with dual tone orangish mustard. Rich maroon, and see the lovely gorgeous weave. See the border. Pallu. Heavy pallu. All the pallus are very rich and heavy pallu. 16,900. Here is the throughout the weave sari. This is the blouse piece in mustard. See the lovely weave. Soft, lightweight, even though it is all over woven. 16,900. Number 12. It's in Baluchori border. But without any figure. Floral. It's totally floral. This concept is kind of Baluchori weave concept, but I have not used any animal or any deity that is usually there in Baluchori. Only the concept of this box weave is there. Alternate colors have been used. Very rich border and also a rich weave body also. Blouse piece. This is the pallu part. 16,900 in black. Multicolor Kani. So next few months I will not be showing Kani anymore because most of the places there is lockdown, and these are the weaves that has been already on the process for the past 4 months. This was already on the process, hence I could show you. Otherwise now not possible to weave any Kanis anymore in recent few months. So this, if you were wanting, many of you had asked me, messaged me about the Kanis. So if you have been waiting for the Kanis, so you can just grab this opportunity. You can select from these. All the ones are very, very rich weave. This is also 16,900. Similar Baluchori border in paisley. Lovely shade of peacock blue color, royal blue kind of a color, midnight blue. 16,900. All over paisley weave with Baluchori paisley weave border. Hand woven. This is the blouse piece. in red weave. Here is the sari. Again a maroon, but the design is different. All new designs, because I want to keep the traditional weave in them. On only the style and the design, the concept is just changing. Otherwise, the traditional weaves and motifs are the same. 16,900, dark, very dark coffee kind of a wine color, maroon color with mustard multicolored border. This is the actual color of the sari. This is the blouse piece. Pallu. Black, product number 15. I would like to specifically show you these weaves. Stunning, fine weave. Just see, each weave is so unique and traditional, and it has an antique design, you know, in them. Antique look also. This is the pallu. 16,900. Very, very soft, even though these are all over weave, because this is in pure modal silk. Jet black with red combination. This is the red blouse piece with this. Again another blue. More or less, you know, I make them in this red, wine, dark maroon, mustard, off-white, black, because these colors look, you know, these borders, this multicolor border look good in darker shades more than the lighter ones. Pallu. Here is the blouse piece, all over choti booty, paisley blouse in red. I could have just left it with this red border, but see, this upper border is giving it a different look. Now I'll show you few chanderis. These are chanderi with patni woven borders, Meena also. Because many of you are wanting to for gifting during the weddings. It's an off-white and gold with Meena woven border. Reasonable range 7,800. This is the pallu, soft, lightweight. This is the back side. You can see the finish of the back side with deep Rani blouse piece dual tone with the border. ideal for gifting. Even you can yourself wear it to small wedding occasions with limited guests also. So wear for any anniversaries, gifting to somebody's 50th or 25th anniversary also, these will be really very nice. Small booties, very traditional saris, and these are Chanderi silks. This is blended, okay. These are all blended ones, so that I can give it to you in this range. This is also this is product number 17B. There are two colors. That was in off-white and gold. This is in Viridian green and gold. Paisley border. Just take the screenshot of the product. This is 17B. And lovely rich woven blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Throughout the sari will be like this. Gorgeous sari. Throughout similar one. This is 8,900, 8900 in diagonal weave, off-white gold with Petni woven narrow border, floral narrow Petni border. Just see bottle green and red combination, lovely Meena border, and this diagonal look is also giving a very, very rich look. This is the pallu. Product number 18. And red blouse piece. Red blouse piece with the border. Product number 19, again Chanderi Banarasi in diagonal weave. It's in monotone. It's a very unique shade of mustard. Very rich look with this blouse piece. Running blouse piece, natural color, the base color blouse piece with the border. And this is 7990. I'll show you few more colors in this, because all the colors, this weave is very different because it's in diagonal weave, and that too in a solid color. Burgundy and red border. Gorgeous combination, and only 7,990 rupees with this blouse piece. Range wise, it's a very, very rich looking sari, and also the weave, you will love this weave. 7,990 rupees in deep burgundy color with light gold all over diagonal weave. Throughout the sari will be similar with solid color blouse with border. And the last one in red. It's just a substitute for katan. It's a gorgeous, lovely shade of red. Scarlet with this is the sari. It has a lovely after draping, the style will be very smart. It's a figure correction sari rather, you can say. This is the pallu and this is the blouse piece. It will have the border. The last one of this episode. So if you are liking the product, kindly like, share and subscribe. You have to press the bell icon for regular notifications and keep watching the videos for everyday new collection. And last, before I leave, this is the neck piece, 2,990 rupees. It has a tassel with which you can, this is a lovely premium jewelry. It can be worn as a choker like I am wearing with the jade hanging there, and you can also increase the length and use it this way also. It's a beautiful piece, 2,990 rupees. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being there with us.